Hello everyone, and welcome to a Stamping Within unboxing video. Yep, it's that time again. I was going to do one on Wednesday, but when the order came, we realised that I'd actually no, I wasn't. Yeah, I was going to do the video for stuff that arrived earlier in the week, but then I noted that some stuff that I should have ordered I hadn't, so I had to do another order. So I thought I'd just combine the two today. Mr. Brown's just been and dropped off a little package, so it'll be in two bits, this video. The first bit is going to be what Liz ordered, and then the second bit is what I've ordered. So first of all, Liz ordered these mason jar shaker domes. Lovely these are. I've already got the stamp set of punch, and these are brilliant. I hadn't realised. Well, you know, I don't tend to read descriptions often, but they're actually, is that one or two? They're self-adhesive on both sides. So no more fighting with a fine tip glue or bits of foam strip. You just punch it out, take that off, stick it up, take that off, stick some card on, and Bob's your uncle. Or aunt, or whatever. Easy as that. I like those. So, those away. She also ordered the Merry Moose bundle, which I think is proving quite popular anyway. Happy Stuff Holidays, Stillness of the Season, Merry Christmas, have a cozy Christmas, and we have the well, that's cute, a little raccoon or something on a log. So trees, presents, the mooses, of course, and the punch. So yeah, lovely moose punch. There's that. She also ordered the snow globe shaker domes, and this is where she twigged that she was something missing. So these domes are the same as the jars, as in they're self-adhesive on both sides. Makes it a lot easier to use. But when she ordered them, I said, there's something missing, you know. What it actually says, well, you need to cut them out. So hence the second order came in of the still scenes and the matching dies. Now let's get these out, shall we? And there we go. So I think that looks like it might cut that out. There's a reindeer, there's the base, polar bears, a church, labels, the die for the snow globes. Lovely. That's red rubber. Awesome. Put them away before I lose them. So there we go. And is that it? Yes, so now we come to mine. I've ordered a sweet. I'll come to that last. I ordered the Feels Like Frost 6x6 speciality design paper. Now, for some reason, I missed out on this last year, so I'm really chuffed that that it returned. Look at these shiny bits. I mean, you hardly need to do anything with a card with these, you know, slap one of these on it, bung a sentiment on, bit of ribbon maybe, and job done. That's shiny. So let's just do that, go back the other way. Gorgeous. Yeah, really chuffed with that. Put it away. This fragile plastic that Stampin' Up are using. I ordered the Queen Anne's lace. This is beautiful. I know you have the strength to get through this. Celebrating all the wonderful things about you. Beautiful. Two-step stamping. Yeah, very like our dandelion wishes, which has gone walkabout. No, it's up there. So it's involved with something else at the minute, so I won't move it. But yeah, beautiful. And that's photopolymer, so you can see where you're stamping when you do the colour of that. I really wanted this. I've been off this for a little while. This is the brick and mortar 3D embossing folder. I'm thinking of, you know, you could stamp some vines or, you know, some flowers and leaves on this, and then emboss it. So it kind of melts together. You know what I mean. So yeah, look at that, eh? Where's that open? Really detailed, really awesome. Love, love, love. And what else is in this box? We're coming to the sweet now. Yes, we're coming to the sweet. So, snowflakes. Snowflake Wishes, all those beautiful, put my teeth back in. Snowflake Wishes for a Merry Christmas. Thank you, Snow Much. Happy Hanukkah. May your seasons sparkle. Beautiful. Photopolymer, once again, so you can see where you're stamping. It comes with the winter snow embossing folder. Beautiful. Really textured. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Love it to bits. You get so many snowflakes dies. Oh, okay. Two bits of card. Oh, look at those. They're adorable. These are going to look, that will look so nice out of some silver foil paper or something. Or even some vellum, actually. You don't love that. Beautiful. What else do you get? You get some beautiful blue adhesive backed gems. These are really sparkly. Looks like there's two blues there, a pale blue and a darker blue. It doesn't say what colours, but the colours will probably be in the catalogue. You get this Snowflake Splendor ribbon, which is 1/4 of an inch. Can I get it out? Let's have a look. tricky. This top bit I want. I don't really want to get rid of the plastic because that keeps the ribbon kind of confined. Got it. Got it. Look at that. Look how sparkly that is. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We get some, what are these? Woven thread sequin. Oh no, this isn't part of the suite. This is part of Liz's order because she wanted some sequins. So yeah, so let's have a quick look at them. There you go, all pretty colours and sparkles. That's part of Liz's order. You get some DSP in the suite. Just slide down the edge. There we go. And this is Snowflake Splendor Designer Series paper. I've got some display wallets for this, so but have a look at the paper. Beautiful. You could pair this with the Feels Like Frost actually. Seems like a similar kind of what's it, yeah. Like that, and you also get some sparkly paper. This is Balmy Blue Glimmer paper. How many sheets? One piece of cut. So 2 sheets, single-sided. How shiny! Lovely shiny. So there we go. That's the box is now empty. So I hope you've enjoyed this. I've really enjoyed showing this stuff to you, and it will be coming in future videos. Even though Liz has ordered this, it goes in my stash, so everything stays together and it doesn't kind of get lost around the house. So anyway, if you've liked this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, that will be wonderful, and ring the bell. Then you'll get a notification when I have a premiere. Videos normally go up Wednesdays and Fridays at 8 PM UK time. I also have a video on the 1st of the month, which is the Stamp Around UK video blog, so look out for that as well. Thank you for watching. Whatever you're doing today, I hope you have a lovely time, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye now.